Keep on, I said it ain't gon' stop. It ain't gon' stop, it ain't gon' flop. Stop acting like we ain't so hot.
What's going on, people? This is Influence. I'm on the fly today, so I just wanted to, I'm getting my house together, so I got a few items that I wanted to unbox and show. So I'm just gonna this is the automatic laundry water shutoff system, MyGuard. Be a link in the description. I can't really, it's just really an unboxing. I just put it on and I just wanted to show you guys. So when you open it up, you get, it's real easy. You get these instructions, which is like a quick guide. And you also get some longer instructions. I don't know where it's at right now. You get a 3-plug, just in case you need extra plugs, you don't have them, and everything else you get is already hooked up. So I'm gonna take it to the laundry room. Oh no, so you also get template to mount mounting screws and 3M. Now I'm in the laundry room. Now my hookup is it was a little tight over here, so I had to hook it up sideways like this, but it shouldn't really matter, whichever way you hook it up. So you get these 2 things, which are like extended pipes, and then you have the cutoff valves. These valves cut off automatically. They have little wires that go straight to this box right here, which is the MyGuard, and what happens is it's connected to this sensor. The sensor like that, it senses water and it will automatically shut your water down so you don't get a crazy flood. Since and it will give an audible alarm. Let me test the alarm. It's kind of loud, so earphone warning. So if you can hear it, the valves were closing and opening. And the yellow light means that the water is shut off. But then the green light means that was just a test. So it went back green because the valves closed and opened just to test it. And really, ideally, you would want to test it. You would want it to be tested while the water's coming out, so you can see that it stops it. But since my laundry equipment isn't coming until Saturday, so that's why I did it now. All right, so this is just a quick unboxing. Product will be in the description, so if you need it, if you want it, check it out.
Hip hop, I feel I gotta say, who am I? You might say influence, and I spit better than most in this game.